like to invite you for our next training, that is attacking and securing industrial control systems. My name is Sharka. I have been a security consultant for over 10 years. I've worked on both a defensive side and offensive side, where I'm currently right now, anywhere with critical national infrastructure with smaller companies too.
I'm Juan Escobar. I work as a senior cybersecurity consultant for Dreamlab Technologies. I have more than 8 years of working as a pen tester doing projects in Latin America and Europe. And I have developed tools and Metasploit modules to work with the Modbus protocol and to exploit vulnerabilities in IoT devices.
So in the first chapter, it's really just a basic. It's understanding what is it about, some of the names. We start a little bit easy on you with the vocabulary. And some of there is actually a first use case that you will learn that hits a little bit close to the home, which is important to understand. On the second chapter, we will go a little bit deeper into a Purdue model and what kind of devices you can find on the industrial part of the model.
For the third chapter, we are going to talk about most of the common programming languages for PLC, how these programs are executed in the PLC, and finally, we are going to learn how to program a PLC.
And with me, you will learn about the other protocols such as S7, OPC UA, or Profinet. Again, we will be learning about how they are built, how to attack them, or how to secure them as well, some of the research around them. And then we will go straight into something that's kind of a name, but it's sort of a little bit like a unicorn. It is about air gaps. So you will go through a next chapter with me about air gaps, how to build them, how they are supposed to work, how they are not working, and what are some of the channels, how we exfiltrate information out of them.
And then for chapter 6, we are going to talk about common ICS vulnerabilities. We are going to see some real example where some pen testing in ICS go wrong.
And the next chapter, again, it's a real world cases of attacks on industrial control systems. We will actually take them apart. We will learn more about MITRE's attack for ICS and go a little bit in depth into some of these attacks that we've seen in the past years. Since we actually learned so far about some of the vulnerabilities, some of the theories on how to perform the auditing or the pen testing of these environments, actually the next chapter is you will get to use them. So we have our own scenario where you will actually be performing an audit on a ICS control system environment. And the last chapter is a use case that we built to sort of, it will be everything from the technical knowledge, but also understanding the processes and procedure. So we will walk you through this use case where you will be called as an expert for a breach. And we will walk you through a possible scenarios that will make you think of different approaches and things to think of when something happens and you're called as a consultant on to an industrial control system. We hope that we will see you there.